Are you trying to decide between our Rytr and Simplified for content creation? Both are popular AI tools that promise to take your writing to the next level, but which one actually delivers the best results for your needs? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know which tool reigns supreme for creating content faster and more efficiently, and why there might be an even better option out there. Let's start by looking at our Rytr, one of the leading AI writing assistants. Our Rytr positions itself as an affordable tool, claiming to be a one-stop shop for content creation. Whether you're writing blogs, ads, emails, or social media posts, our Rytr has templates that cover a wide range of content formats. It's easy to use and the interface is clean. Our Rytr also allows you to generate high-quality text quickly, something that's definitely valuable if you're trying to speed up your content creation process. Next thing, while our Rytr is great for generating basic text, it sometimes falls short in terms of tone consistency. If you're looking to maintain a specific voice throughout your content, you might run into a few problems. It also doesn't offer as much customization as you might want. When comparing it to Simplified, it starts to show some cracks. Simplified, on the other hand, offers a suite of tools that goes beyond just content writing. While it includes AI writing assistance, it also integrates design, video, and social media tools, making it a more versatile option. It's perfect for those who want an all-in-one content creation platform. The AI writer itself is pretty solid, more advanced than our Rytr in some areas like SEO optimization and long-form content generation. However, Simplified's interface can feel cluttered, and it's not as intuitive as our Rytr when you just want to get started and quickly create something. The third thing to consider is pricing. Our Rytr's pricing is straightforward, with a generous free plan and tiered pricing that grows with your needs. Simplified also offers a free plan, but its pricing models are a bit more complicated, especially if you want access to the premium tools that make it competitive with our Rytr. Simplified's paid plans can be more expensive in comparison, especially if you're just looking for a writing assistant and don't need all the extra tools. Now, let's talk about customer support. Our YTR's support team is generally responsive, but it's been criticized for not being as quick to resolve complex issues. Simplified, on the other hand, tends to offer better customer support with a dedicated help center and more in-depth responses. But here's the catch: support isn't always a deal breaker if the tool itself is solid. The last thing to mention is how these tools handle plagiarism. Both our Rytr and Simplified do a good job of avoiding direct plagiarism, but the quality of their content can sometimes be too generic. If you want truly original, high-quality, and engaging content that stands out in a crowded digital space, this is where things get interesting. So, here's the truth. While our Rytr and Simplified both have their strengths, if you want a better alternative for content creation, one that provides quality without sacrificing customization or simplicity, you should try the tool linked in the description. After using both of these tools myself, I believe this option provides everything you need for content creation without the frustrations. Plus, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits through our link, which is only available to you as a viewer. If you want the most efficient AI writing tool that beats both our Rytr and Simplified in the long run, check out the link in the description and see for yourself. It's time to take your content creation to the next level.